This website paid me $10 an hour, completely for free, and I've made about $30 so far in the last couple of hours. And I know it's nothing huge, it's not hundreds of dollars and thousands of dollars that is something sustainable that's going to buy you Lambos and mansions, but you guys really seem to love these side hustle videos for some unknown reason, so therefore I want to make more content on this for you. In today's video, I'm going to introduce to you a brand new platform that is not spoken about on YouTube and that I have never spoken about before. And a lot of people from all sorts of countries are earning from this website. So this is some of the payments that people are requesting right now as of the last couple of seconds. And you will see as I break down some of the results from various people in different countries, just like that, it's updating every couple of seconds because people are making withdrawals from this website. So Krugel from Nigeria has a total earnings of $41.52 so far in the past 7 days. Sayani from India, $816. Couple other guys, this guy over here with $1,900 in his account so far from Poland. And as you can see, all the various different people from various different countries. It works worldwide, and a lot of these people are not spending any money on this. And these are some of the latest withdrawals now. Sorry if I butcher this name, Min Malek from India, $4.10. Tanu from India, $16.18 withdrawn right now in Litecoin and cryptocurrency. One or two people using PayPal. People are constantly earning on this website. So what I really like about this, I like the fact that they are transparent about this. It gives it some really nice credibility. So yeah, how exactly can you get started with this? How exactly can you get on this leaderboard? How can you start making money with this website? Well, that's what I'm going to show you in today's video, is how you can start making $10 an hour by doing work on this website. It's completely free. There's no hidden payment fee that you have to pay. And I'm going to break this down in a very simple step-by-step strategy that you can use to make $10 an hour with this. So if you want to learn what this website is and how you can make money with it, make sure to keep watching this video until the end so that I break it down. And also make sure to comment down below your favorite color and leave a like. It really helps me out and helps out the YouTube algorithm and motivates me to make valuable videos like this for you guys. With that being said, let's dive into step number one. Let me show you a couple of ways that you can make money off this website. And there's multiple ways that you can make money off the site. Firstly, at the top of the offer page over here, here's a website or an offer where if you join this Telegram channel, which is a cost per action, you will earn $2.50. Another offer to join a Telegram channel of 0.4 US cents. Offer over here, if you subscribe to this YouTube channel and complete one or two other tasks, you're going to get paid $4.25. Another offer over here, if you click on an ad, you will earn 0.4 or 04 cents. Again, here, if you click on an ad, 0.03 cents. More offers adding up to $1, $1, $1. So there's so many different tasks that you can complete on this website. But do you want to see something else that is also really cool? And when I spoke about in the beginning how I've followed the development of this website, is now they've offered freelancers to start promoting their gigs on their website. So for example, this person will promote your link on his 260K monthly viewed Pinterest page for just $3. And he's had over 301 reviews. So I really like the fact that they've now also turned into a kind of like Fiverr.com where freelancers and experts can list their services and people can order that from them while still completing these various tasks and earning fantastic side hustle money online. That's going to lead you to step number one. Come over to sproutgig.com and sign up a completely free account. Now you will see over here the reason why this gig selling platform is so different to Fiverr is because you have to complete a certain amount of tasks before you can list your gig and make money, eliminating so many different duplicate gigs, spam gigs, making it 10 times easier for you to rank. You will see over here, if I click on post gig, I need to fill out my profile information. Once I've done that, I then need to browse surveys and offers and also complete micro jobs. But the best part is when I'm doing these micro jobs, I'm still earning money from that. So over here, where you can take a survey, you will earn $0.50. Candy Dash Android. So if you play this game, I think for 30 seconds or a minute, you will earn 20 US cents. Another survey for 40 cents. Unlock surveys, get rewarded for completing a form, 0.32 cents. So all of these micro surveys and offers are going to pay you. And in order to go and list your gig on sproutgigs.com, you need to complete some of these micro jobs, eliminating a lot of competition and making it really easy for you to rank. And at the same time, you're making money doing those jobs. So once you've signed up your account and done these micro jobs, and now you're able to go and post gigs, I'm going to show you the true strategy that I used by making money off this platform is by creating ebooks for people and for leads that come to this platform and buy them from me. And all that I'm doing is I'm using artificial intelligence to create and sell these ebooks, making it a really nice passive income. And once you start to get that initial sale or two, once you start to rank at the top pages of Sprout Gigs, this can become your full-time thing, as there's a good chance you might get orders every single week, bringing in a really good sustainable income. And this is what I did. I came over to another gig in the same niche as me, and all I went to go and do was to go and copy their description. And then I would come over to ChatGPT. You can paste this over here and then just type here, put this in your own words. Click on send, and you can just use this to get your own description for your gig on sproutgigs.com. You can use this way to generate a really effective description for your gig that you're posting on sproutgigs.com, also in your own words. So over here, you can see this is now reworded this in your completely your own unique words and humanized words that you can copy and paste to your profile. So now for the next step, going to go and create this ebook. I'm going to leave this prompt down below in the description of this video, also at the pinned comment. So yeah, if you guys want access to this prompt, you can literally just copy and paste it. I want to write an ebook on TikTok growth. This book will be about 20,000 words, and I am looking at having outlines that include replicating viral video success, TikTok branding tips, and strategies to go viral. We can then click on send and have a look what it's going to do for you. It will create the title of your book, the introduction, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 8, chapter 9, conclusion, appendices, and the outline. So really fantastic. Now you've got the foundation of your book. Let's learn how to go and create this book using AI and how we can start using this platform on sproutgigs.com to make $10 an hour doing this. This is how you use ChatGPT to go and write this book. Make the introduction. And over here, we can choose one of these options, the power of TikTok, and write the introduction for me. Click on send and let ChatGPT make the introduction of your book for you. The next step is to scroll up and go and create each and every chapter of your book. So for example, chapter 1, you can say to ChatGPT, make chapter 1 the TikTok algorithm explained and write chapter 1 for me. Chapter 2, make chapter 2 create a compelling profile and make chapter 2 for me. Same for chapter 3, 4, and 5. And what you want to do is you then want to copy each and every chapter just like this. And what we need to go and do is rephrase this and make sure there's no plagiarism in this content. We need to make this as unique as possible and humanized as possible. Come over to writehuman.ai, where you can elevate AI text to human perfection. So all you do is paste your text over here and click on Write Human. Click on Agree and Continue. And here is your new output. Human score 98.61%. Next step is to go and do this for all chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and your conclusion, and then put your book together in that order in Google Documents. So you would come over to Google Docs, open up a brand new Google Documents blank page over here, and then by pasting your introduction, then you can paste chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, etc. Once that's done, you can then click on File, and you can save this as a PDF or download it as a PDF. And this is where you're ready to make your money from this product. You can now go and list this on sproutgigs.com as a gig and start selling this service on SproutGigs and making ebooks for these people. Or you can go and sell this TikTok growth ebook through Instagram ads, Facebook ads, through a million different strategies that I've taught on my channel. Now, the number one strategy that I'm going to teach you that I've made over $100,000 online this year alone, selling digital products like this through funnels, I will leave that video on the screen over here. If you watch this video on the screen and pair it up with what I've taught you in today's video, it's a really nice sweet spot and powerful strategy to build a full-time income online. This video is completely free on YouTube. There's no upsell to some crazy $2,000 course, just tons of free value. All right, guys, so make sure to click on this video over here, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.